Hello everyone and welcome back to Codestar Technologies. This is one of the best tech YouTube channel here in Kenya and Africa at large. So if you have not subscribed to our channel or if it's your first time to be on this channel, kindly smash that subscribe button very hard so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video like this one. We have amazing videos which you can go through and check. Integration with Lipa na M-Pesa. We have talked about USSD applications, sending SMS, emails, machine learning, data science, final year projects, talking about AutoCAD, Corel Draw, and amazing stuff, even revision materials for those who are doing NEC and CASNEB, and even if you're in university, this is one of the best channel for you, for everyone who is in the IT industry here in Kenya. And to our subscribers, I'd like to appreciate a lot for your continuing support. In our today's session, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional CV or resume, or in other words, you're going to design to create a modern CV. A CV that looks very nice, not the one that you have, because I know the one that you have, to be honest, it is very, very ugly. It doesn't look attractive. It cannot attract even the interviewers such that they can feel like you are the best candidate for this position. So let me be honest to you, is that your CV doesn't look that great, but after the end of this video, you're going to see and make some changes. So we are going to use some of the online resources which are very, very free of charge. You can make use of them, and just within few editing here and there, your CV is going to look nice, and you can download and print the CV. You can have even the PDF that you can send, instead of just writing everything like as if you are going to run the whole department of IT, like you're on the networks, you're on the software development, you have indicated everything, even graphic design and all those kind of stuff, repair maintenance, you are adding all those ones. You have to be specific. So this is the best video for you. Just be focused, learn, and get to understand the position that you're applying on for, and now get started. So maybe if you might need to learn some of these online courses, because here at Codestar we normally offer online courses to do with web development. We are doing even Python programming, that is data science, machine learning, and all those kind of stuff, even graphic design. You can just feel free to enroll, click on the student and register here, and we are going to take you through that course. Let's not waste a lot of time doing all this kind of stuff. Let's jump in direct and start. And here there is a site called Learn Code Online, done by one of the guys called Hitesh, a guy from India. And as you can see, the site looks amazing. This guy has got the best skills when it comes to front-end development. As you can see, the website looks amazing, and the guy happened to do, he runs a YouTube channel. You can just search Hitesh, something like that. So has done one of the amazing system that can help you develop or create a resume. And in that case, let's jump in direct. I'll share the link about of the system. So this is the link, as you can see. This is the link. I'll copy the link and share it on the description so that you can access it in an easier way. So as you can see here, the website looks amazing because it is done by, I think this is either React, something like that, because if you have interacted with React, which is one of the front-end JavaScript front-end web develop frameworks, it's one of the amazing tools that you can use. And I can say that the guy has got amazing skills when it comes to front-end development, and he has done quite a number of things, like to do with Node.js and or even PHP. He has quite experience when it comes to that area. So when you just get here, just click build my CV, and when you get here, you just look for the best template that you're comfortable with. And you can see, I can see now most of you are saying that even if I can't see you but I know you can say this is one of the best things that you're looking for. So yeah, here you just come here and just select one of the best templates that you feel comfortable going with. So I'll select this one, and once I select, as you can see, it takes me to this point where now I can do the editing. So where you normally write the content, it's here, and this is where you select one of the features that you need to edit. So in this case, first of all, let me start by uploading an image, and in that case I'll put my image there. You can see the bazoo mwenyewe ndio huyo. Cheni kucheka bana. So once you do that, you just get to the contact information, like for example like this one. As you can see here, you just need to edit, like I've written Rico Banks, Codestar. I can say software engineer, maybe something like that. Mini engineer, acheni kuleta zenu hapa. Software engineer. I can come here and say where do you live? In Kenya, do we have addresses? I can say Thika, and here I can say Thika, which place? Kuna Kiandutu, by the way. Kiandutu, sijui ni dutu hivyo, something like that, I think. Thika Kiadutu. Is it Thika Kiadutu or Kiadutu Thika? Kiadutu Thika, it can be better, actually. Kiadutu Thika, I don't know. The other place ni wapi? Kibera Karen. Yeah, Kibera Karen is another place where I normally then I can say this is info at Codestar. Yeah, it looks professional. .net or .co.ke, something like that. Yeah, that's a valid email you can write to Codestar. So phone number for those who might need to call me, you can write to 254 700711233. Namna patanisha na message ya M-Pesa bana. Si message tu, lakini ikuje na kitu. So acheni kusema ati ni okay. Now let's go to the other one is www.codestar.co.ke. Once we have that, the next thing is to come here. I will not going to edit profile. I can write the rest, like you can come here and say I've worked job title, maybe work experience, title, work experience, something like that. You can add this kind of stuff, specifying like where you've worked, blah blah blah, all those kind of stuff. Something else like a summary of the languages that you're familiar with. Python, yes. I'm also good in PHP. PHP, I can write PHP. Let me write it like that. There's no problem. I can also talk about JavaScript. These are the best programming languages. Actually, Python, JavaScript, PHP. You can talk about Java. I'm not good in Java actually, but Java is a very nice thing. Database, not a big fan of Mongo. I can say MySQL, write them in small letters. And I can also talk about what? You can talk about either React, maybe something like that. I'm not that good in React, but something that you can write. So yeah, then the next thing is a word received. You can write, like for example, I can say naweza sema ukweli kwanza, by the way, some of the awards that I've received. Most outstanding employees of the year 2015, no. Best, I can say best runners up for let's say 2020 ICT Kenya, maybe hackathon, maybe something like that. Hiyo ni ukweli, by the way, si uongo. 2020. Then we have got what else? Awards. The best was the best web app 2018, voted as the best web app 2018. And maybe I can say another thing, something like to talk about is best, can say best what? Best uongo ni mzuri, nafurahishanga. Let's talk about best IoT system. I can say this was 2016, something like that. Hiyo ni ukweli yote hapo, hakuna kitu ya uongo. I can talk about campus and all those kind of stuff. Then once you are done, you just need to click on the download, and you can see here I can click here and save and click OK. So there is a lot you can edit. If you get along and start editing all those kind of stuff, you just get to learn how it works. And yeah, so this is my CV right now. You can see it looks amazing. The problem is that pink color. I'm not pink guy. I look for another background which I can take a good photo. So this one single page, hujaweka mshene yote hapo. Just you are not running the whole department. You just need like specific skills that are needed actually in that area that you are going to work. There are others even where you will specify like what we talked about this one. The level of experience that you can have. Here you can say you have 3, 4, you can say either 5 or 4. The Java I can say maybe is 2. No, JavaScript is 4 actually, 5. I can say this one is 2 is okay. MySQL is 3 is okay. React I can say 2. I'm not that good in front end. You can be specific. This one you can talk about, there's nothing to edit and all those kind of stuff. So as you can see, it has amazing kind of that you can make, and your CV will look amazing. It is going to stand out such that the guys who are coming for an interview, they will start saying that this is the best of the best. You can see. So I think you have learned something. You are going to take action. You are going to practice working with this kind of stuff to see whether you can get there and create one of the amazing. Just a single one-page CV, it's enough. You don't need to add like a million things on your CV. The rest of the questions that you can answer on the oral part of the interview. So yeah, I was just showing you so that you can get to understand. You just be specific, because IT is very, very wide. If it's graphic design, just talk about the graphic design packages that you are good at. If you're talking about data science and machine learning, you can specify things like that you can work with. Is it TensorFlow? Is it Beautiful Soup? We have got Puppeteer, I think in JavaScript, something like that. Node.js, something like that. We have got every area there is specific tools that are best known for that area. So you don't have to keep on explaining like putting everything that you can do, because maybe sometimes people are good at various areas or specification. So in this case, it's good to just go with the small sections and all those kinds. So that's why sometimes you can specialize on a specific area. But as a fresh graduate, it's very, very hard to say that I'm good at this, and all those kind of stuff. Sometimes I prefer you first of all work on go through all those kind of stuff, just get to understand and learn how they work before now you can start specializing, because it's very, very hard for you to specialize. So that is it for today. I hope you've learned something new, and consider subscribing to our channel. When you subscribe, you can see the number keeps on increasing each and every day. We are now getting almost getting to the 2000 mark, which is a good thing. And I know, because this video you are going to share to as many people as you can, maybe in your campus, your friends, those WhatsApp groups, your Facebook groups, so that you have share with them and tell them this is the channel where they need to support and to be on for us to build this thing we call technology here in Kenya. And from today, your CV is not going to look that madhogodhanyo, in other words. So I think it's going to look amazing. It's going to look attractive, not ugly anymore. At least right now, I know you have appreciated your just few minutes have not been wasted in a wastage, but you have learned something new. So thank you guys, and if you might need to learn these kind of courses, make sure you enroll for these courses here, and I'll get back to you. We'll make arrangement. Sometimes I know there are a lot of messages that I normally receive. Maybe sometimes I might be overwhelmed by work and all those kind of stuff. I might not answer them at the right time, but please bear with me. I try at my level best, because actually at the end of the day lazima nitafute pesa. I need something to eat, I need something to pay bills and all those kind of stuff. Chakula ugali ikuwe kwa meza bana. But hatuwezi weka chakula kwa meza tuna mosheneto peke yake. So unless you want to send the M-Pesa, or maybe you might need your products to be promoted, just you can click here, just specify the details and all that. I normally charge 500, and we'll talk about your product to market to as many people as you can. As you can see right now, we have got over 2,000, almost 2,000 subscribers. So it means the people who normally watch our videos and all those kind of stuff, you are going to put your product in a very huge market, and these are the guys who can market your product in an easier way. So kindly, just 500 and your video will be viewed by many people and for a long period of time. So make sure you give our videos thumbs up, like, that is what I mean. Subscribe if you've not subscribed, share to as many people as you can, and see you on the next one. Thank you.